naturalness of your roots that extend upward like an antenna, breathing with the stars. And feel the roots of your central sun in the heart of your being, rooting like one vast circulatory system, a vascular system of light with all hearts. And then feel those rays of light that emanate from all of these points within. And let's breathe together through this circulatory system. Let's breathe light with all of nature. Let's drop our preconceived ideas of who we are and enter into the potentiality of the vastness of who we are, the simplicity of who we are. And let's feel this beautiful herd of light, Khalil and Yoshi, breathing with us, near the near. Teddy, Travis, Taz, the unseen pole star, Omar. And the circulatory system continues and expands and radiates out from your herds of light as one. Your most beloved animal, nature beings. Just feel them all here, gathering near the near, breathing through this natural breath of light. Let's feel the sun, the star at the center of our Earth galaxy, breathing light with us. Feel the reciprocity of breathing together in the vastness of this circulatory system. A web of light. And feel the miracle of your part in it. Let's breathe with the trees. Not just the oxygen and carbon dioxide of our physical needs and physical exchange, but again, that breath of light, the exchange of living wisdom, the exchange of prana, life force itself, the exchange of the frequencies of remembrance and true seeing. Let's interbreathe with the dirt, the soil, and the worlds beneath the soil, the minerals and rocks and crystals. Let's breathe with the sky and the cloud beings. And the winged ones and the sky walkers. Let's breathe with the unseen nature spirits and sprites and fae, the elven kingdom and queendom. Opening to this vast circulatory system of breath, light, the flowers, the plants, and all the animal beings in form and formlessness. And let's breathe with the elements within and all around: water, earth, air, fire, ether. And let's breathe with our human animal family from this rootedness of the common ground of light. And then feeling your embodied beingness here as you breathe deeper into the moment, breathing in the intention and the yearning of your deepest soul purpose here and now. And letting that ripple out as a gift to the whole. So we are gathering together in an amplified field of contemplation and living embodied realization. Real eyes sing, allowing our real eyes to sing. Waking up from the sleep and the veils of forgetting who we are. And allowing nature, which we are, to remind us who we are. And as you all know, my beloved Alani is physically very ill, as you know. And she thanks you all for your energy and prayers that have been infusing her energy field during this time. She will be most likely coming home on Wednesday or Tuesday. And I'm starting to get quite excited about it. I'm starting to get inspired and not just scared. And I'm starting to feel the container of our home and the energies we've created with the herd here and with all of you over the years as a really powerful healing container that she will be able to just rest in and participate in whatever miracles her soul wants to. And the energy here, I feel, is much more malleable than at the hospital. Although it was beautiful to have her taken care of there. But the time is coming now. So today's gathering is really dedicated to Alani and allowing some of this awakening of our natural co-creativity of miracles to be breathed with her being so that she can also remember. So thank you for, if that feels resonant, which I'm sure it does, otherwise you wouldn't be here, to allow that intention to be a little river with Alani. And of course, it's never just one individual, because each drop, the deeper we go, contains the whole sea. So let's explore and awaken these inner terrains and the inner ecosystem of our natural self as co-creators of miracles. Let's just listen to these transmissions now from the heart of nature, consciousness. This unique collective phase on the spiral of awakening, this period of what you humans call time, it is a very acutely honed time for the rise of miracles. The rise of miracles may look like a falling apart. It is important to drop your superimposed lenses of division on what appears to be falling and rising. The unique collective phase on the spiral of awakening, this period of what you humans call time, it is very acutely honed for the rise of miracles. The rise of miracles may look like a falling apart. It is important to drop your superimposed lenses of division on what appears as falling and rising. It is important to dissolve your superimposed mental parameters of perceiving onto what appears. Drop and dissolve your superimposed mental parameters of perceiving onto what appears, and to perceive through the lenses of your natural wholeness. Perceive through the lenses of your natural wholeness. And intentionally turn these lenses of crystalline perceiving towards the sun. Intentionally turn these lenses of crystalline perceiving towards the sun. Let's just feel that. A breath of turning these inner lenses of perceiving towards the sun. Your lenses turned toward the all-engulfing source of light first must be inverted within the darkness of your being. Your lenses, once turned toward the all-engulfing source of light, must then first and foremost be inverted within the darkness of your being. There within you, this fire is fully ignited and becomes all-sustaining, enveloping all from within. So, turning our lenses towards the sun, inverting them and shining that light, those clear, magnified, light-infused lenses into the darkness within. And feeling the fire of your spirit, the deepest fire of your being ignite and become all sustaining, enveloping all, like a raging wildfire of light from within. It is from this inner, all-sustaining illumination that light is extended out onto all that appears. It is from this inner, all-sustaining illumination that light then extends out onto all that appears. It is much more natural for you to do this than you may think. Your concentration light must fully converge with your deepest intention. And this stream of energy, attention, called concentration, cannot be dry. It must be juicy, infused by love. Your honed concentration light must fully converge with your deepest intention. And the stream of energy, attention, called concentration, cannot be dry. It must be juicy, infused by love. And this juiciness must not leak. It must have integrity, a mind, heart, belly essence, harmonic integrity of total whole being coherent. The juiciness of the stream of energy, attention, called concentration, infused by love, must not leak. It must have integrity, a mind, heart, belly, essence, harmonic integrity of total whole being coherence. Let's invite now this natural coherence of mind, heart, belly, the harmonic crystal bowl symphony within, to tune into its natural coherence. And then we feel the energy of concentration on what we love, an intention, co-creating miracles. And feel this state of your natural self in the co-creation of miracles. For all of nature, miracles are natural. Everything in nature is birthed, deathed, and reborn from the sentient sea of pure creativity, pure, untouched, raw, luminous potentiality. For all of nature, miracles are natural. Everything in nature is birthed, deathed, and reborn from the sentient sea of purest creativity, pure, untouched, raw, luminous potentiality. You can easily see this when you turn your eyes outward to behold the beauty of nature, igniting the clarity of heart sight. And you are learning to see it when you invert your eyes within, here and now. You can easily see this pure, untouched, raw, luminous potentiality, creativity, when you turn your eyes outward to behold the beauty of nature, igniting the clarity of heart sight. And you are learning to see it when you invert your eyes within, here and now. This natural way of miracles, it shifts into artificiality when distortions of perception are filtered through fragmented lenses. When they are projected out and held onto too tightly. In nature, there is an embodied feeling, knowing of interbeingness. Feeling, knowing of interbreathingness. This field of interwoven sentience is directly known and fully embodied And this field is right here, right now. Let's feel the miracle of this field of inter-breathing, inter-beingness. The feeling knowing of this field of interwoven sentience. Feel it directly known through your embodiment. And feel directly known here and now. In this open moment. Open moment. In this field out beyond ideas of right or wrong. We meet you as one. Witnessing potentiality flying free from mental cages. Witnessing potentiality's wings unfurled, flying free from mental cages. Rising out from the ashes of the shackling imprints of trauma and falling away. Witnessing potentiality flying free from mental cages, rising out from the ashes of the shackling imprints of trauma and the falling away of the matrix of trauma's self-perpetuation. There are no limitations here in this natural field of unity. As we rise out from the ashes of the shackling imprints of trauma and witness and co-create the miracle of the falling away of the matrix of trauma's self-perpetuation. There are no limitations here in this natural field of unity. Come breathe your way through the entry of this field with us. Breathe as one with us and feel us breathing as one with you, here and now. It is only here and now that the open portal exists. Enter this interbreathing field with us as one breath with us. And feel us as one breath with you, here and now. It is only here and now that the portal, open moment, portal Sit. So let's allow this opening to be integrated with ease on the deepest levels as we allow the crystal bowls to coherent sing the knowing every part of our being.